a train ride.
It's very Mickey, man. Look.
It's very train ride. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go for the bend. Here we go for the bend. Ah!
With a car, with a cripple on the train.
Woo! Yeah.
He's on it.
No, Charlie.
I've just done a very stupid thing, man. I just threw the phone on the floor.
Oh, you what?
Yeah, you did. My phone's over there on the floor.
Oh, you're an idiot. Oh yeah! Woo! Yeah! Oh yeah! Yeah, we're having a good time!
Hey!
Having a good time! Woo! No hands!
No hands!
No hands! Woo!
Wait, this is proper Ricky, look!
This is definitely YouTube material! There we go, there we go.
They're jogging.
Here we go, these joggers. Here we go. Why run when you can have a train?
Hey!
That's the one. Where are we going? You don't know. It's an adventure. It's an adventure.
Oh, where did this come from? Where did it come from?
It's an adventure. Off to London. It's my Heat magazine. Where's all the hoodlums? Where's all the hoodlums onto the station? Where are they? Oh, they're not there. Oh. Robo, give us away. Touching the grass. Oh, it's kettle. Oh, whoa, that was a bit of a bump there. Woo! Woo!
Hey!
Oh. Oh.
The tank is so big.
It's a tour of Willen Lake.
You decapitate yourself like that bloke who's done it.
Charlie, do it. No hands. No hands. Let me see it. Whoa! Woo! There we go. We're in the woodlands now. We've done a Blair Witch project.
Hey! Yeah, I hope your phone's there. Well, funny.
Oh, we're in a dark tunnel. We're in a dark tunnel. Oh!
We pretend that airplane.
Night sky like shooting stars.
I really is a
Wish right now. Taking a bend now. Whoa, lean into it. Oh! Oh! Have we got up a gear? Whoa, yeah! I am the one and only.
Wait, just give everyone the salute. Just go past tonight.
Just sing part. Oh, Canada.
Hey, to the train driver, train driver.
Train driver. Hey, to the train driver.
Train driver, man.
Oh, yeah.
We're about 10 years too young for this.
Oh, mate. Woo. Yeah.
Level crossings are dangerous. Yeah, I know. Let's go you this.
Who's having a good time? We're having a good time. Woo! Yeah!
Yay!
Woo!
But this is a great idea.
No hands, man. No hands.
Mate, if you miss your phone to go and pick it up, it's still there. I thought Alex was going to pick it up at the back.
Well, if you told me you dropped it, I would have picked it up. We're coming back in now. There's only one way round. We're not lucky enough to have two. Oh, taking a bend. Taking a bend, it's fast. It's fast.
Drifting.
Oh! Yeah! And now we're on the straight.
There it is.
We're coming in.
Yeah, you got it.
Have we got it, have we?
I believe you
Good
did
stuff. Got the phone.
Woo! That's the end of that chapter. Did you enjoy the train?
I enjoyed the train. Do you enjoy it?
I did enjoy the train.
They might not spot if we don't get off the train.
You love the train. That's the end of that.
Oh, mate, that was intense. Yes.
Come on, let's get off the train.
Oh, damn.